Hi guys, my name's Warren Cargill. I'm an acupuncturist and clinic director here at Acupuncture Atlanta. Today I'd like to share with you some information about a product that we have quite a bit of interest about, which is called Capsol-T. And Capsol-T comes in both is a individual product and it also comes as a kit. And the kit is the Capsol-T plus a special formulated Capsol-T, which is used for the evening, so you don't have to wake up and take a dosing. Okay, so the Capsol-T, I'll give you a little bit of information about that. There's been quite a bit of interest about that for cancer, and I thought it might be helpful to kind of explain the mechanisms of how you would consider using this product, because there's definitely some limitations. It's definitely not any kind of cure-all for cancer or anything. And the primary ingredients are food grade ingredients, and it's a green tea, and it's a capsicum, which is it's derived from it's a mild green pepper. So ECGC and the green pepper are the two products, and it's at a ratio of I believe 10 to 1 of the green tea to the capsicum. And the green tea is equivalent to drinking, each capsule is equivalent to drinking about 16 cups of coffee. So, 16 cups of tea, okay? We're talking about green tea. The specific mechanism of how this works is that it affects the enox proteins, and the enox proteins, without getting overly complicated here, are like little doorways on the membrane of the cell, and they're specifically, they're on all cells, but the enox T proteins are specifically on proliferating cells, which sometimes could be cancer cells, right? And what this green tea and capsicum extract does is it shuts the doors on these little doorways on the cell membrane. It closes them. And so the cell, the rapidly growing cell, which requires energy and everything, cannot export its waste products. And so what happens there is the cell dies. Normally it's growing rapidly. It reaches a certain stage of growth and it divides. And so this kind of shuts that mechanism down. The cell remains small, and then it goes into apoptosis, which is cell death. So that's the mechanism there. And where you have to be careful about is cancer is a tenacious disease. It's the hallmark of cancer. It's its rapid growth, and that's the qualifier here. This may be something you would consider on cancer that's not even detectable, but for cancer that's already been detected and it's growing, then there's just no way this kind of dosing and the food grade ingredients would have any effect on a rapidly growing cancers. Okay, so if something that you got a little suspicious, like a mammogram about or something like that, you just want to be safe, then this would be a consideration for you. Okay, Capsol-T, and it's on our website. If you have other questions, need some clarification about what we've been talking about, call us, email, or chat in. Thanks so much for listening.